White Bull's Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, barbecue fam. Chris here from White Bull's Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing beef ribs. These are going to be amazing. Picture brisket on a stick. That's what we're going to be doing today. It's going to be super lit. Hit that like and subscribe, and let's jump into it. You know, I got it rocking on the Traeger. Today we're using the Pro 780, and I seasoned this one with White Bull's Barbecue, the rub for beef, and Traeger Blackened Saskatchewan. Let's do the damn thing. You know the vibes. With a spritz, just water. Now we're gonna crank these to 250 and come spritz them again in another hour. So we're about 5 hours in. We just wrapped them at about 165 internal. And when you wrap them, triple wrap them because they have the bones, right? I use heavy duty aluminum foil. That usually gets the job done. Try not to get the cheap thin stuff from the store or like a generic brand. That stuff's whack. Anyways, when you do this and when you wrap it like a brisket, it's called the Texas crutch. I put my beef ribs meat side down to the grates. That way all the juice that's coming out is going down to the meat and it's just settling and rendering all in one place, and the bones don't have a chance really to poke it and then leak all your juices out. Even if they did poke through, it wouldn't really be the end of the world. I hope you guys are ready for this. This is gonna be banging. As you can see, this is looking phenomenal. We just reached 180. We are now gonna basically braise these for the rest of the way. Put a little bit of yingling in there. Oh yeah. We're gonna wrap it back up with foil, throw it back on until it reaches 205. Let's get it. Alright, so we reached 209 internal on these. We're about to rest them for 2 hours in the camp, bro. Then we're gonna slice them. I'll see you on the cutting board. Let's go. Time to chop into these. Woo! Wow. Look at that. Unreal. Look at the bark. This is how it's done. Oh yeah. Last one. Look at that smoke ring. This is what barbecue dreams are made of. Look at that. Unreal. Literally. Time for a bite. Ooh. Whoa. Cheers. Alright, so about all in all an 8-hour cook. We cooked it at 225 for 2 hours. We spritzed it with water once an hour. Pretty similar cook to a brisket. And honestly guys, the end result is like a brisket on a bone. As you saw, when I took a bite off of that thing, mind-blowing explosion of flavor. You need it in your life, alright? There's really no other way to say it. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that bell. Comment what you want to see me cook next. As always, thanks for stopping by and giving your boys some love. The best damn barbecue ever. Until next time, I'm out, baby.
White Bulls Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.